Hi, and welcome to another tutorial from the Columbia Green Community College Library. I'm John Santana, Reference and Circulation Librarian. Today, I will be showing you how to request books using resource sharing. You would use resource sharing in the event the Columbia Green Library does not have a book that you are interested in. And we can likely get that book through another SUNY school. The process is very simple, and this video will show you how to do it. To start, I am on the library's homepage. We'll need to search this using Primo. So, as I always recommend, if you are looking for a book in the library, I always recommend that you click on Search Primo and go directly into the catalog. Today, I am going to be searching for a biography of the musician Frank Zappa as written by Barry Miles. So what I'm going to do in the search box is type in the title of the book, Frank Zappa. I am also going to type in the author, Barry Miles. And I am going to search library catalog. It turns out we do not have that. So if you encounter this, you can acquire this through resource sharing. To check and see if other SUNY schools have it, click right over here where it says library catalog, click on the drop down, select SUNY catalog, and then click on the magnifying glass icon. The book does come up. Frank Zappa, a biography. There's a couple of these actually, 2004, 2005. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one here where it says check for available services. And sure enough, there's a copy available at the University at Buffalo. Right above it, you see where it says how to get it. It says please sign in to check if there are any request options. So I will go ahead and click sign in. So what you are going to use is your user ID is your Columbia Green email address. The password is your password that you use for that. If you are unable to log in, please contact us at the library at reference@sunycgcc.edu and we will get everything situated for you. So now that I am logged in, here is the option for resource sharing. So you will click on that, and here's the resource sharing request. This is for a book. There's the title is in there. All of the information is in there. And then you have your email. You also have your pickup location, in this case, the CGCC library. All you have to do is click send request, and you are done. Similar is still submitting request at this time. Submitting a request for a book via resource sharing is very simple, very easy, and very convenient. Once the request is made, you will be notified by email when the book has arrived. In this case, it says your request was successfully placed. At that point, you just log out of your Primo account. You just go up into the corner of the screen and log out. Any additional questions, feel free to contact us at reference@sunycgcc.edu. Thanks a lot and happy searching.